most of you, if you want to buy data, you dial star 312 hash. If you dial that, if you are using MTN, this is what you are going to get. You can be able to get 1 GB of data for 500 naira. If you are using Airtel, this is what you are going to get. You can be able to get 1 GB for 350. There's a secret code that I normally use to get it at a very cheap rate from both network for MTN and Airtel. And I can be able to get 1 GB of data for as low as 150 and below 150 for both network. And in this video, I'm going to share with you those codes that I normally use to do my subscription from both network, and this will help you to save cost in the purchase of data. I'm also going to subscribe with those codes to show you that this could actually work in this live video. So if this is the type of video that you like to watch, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Also like this video so that others will see this video. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So we're going to be starting with Airtel. I'm going to be sharing those codes that I used to get data from Airtel. The code that I used to do my subscription on Airtel is star 312 star 1 hash star 312 star 1 hash. So let's dial it and see what can get with this code. So you have 6 options that is available for you that you can make use of. The first option with 100 naira get 500 mAh and it will last for 1 day. The second option with 200 naira get 1.25 gigabytes, it will last you for 2 days. The third option with 300 naira get 2 gigabytes of data, it will last for 2 days. The fourth option with 500 naira get 3.2 gigabytes of data, it will last for 3 days. The fifth option with 600 naira get 4 gigabytes of data, it will last you for 3 days. Then the sixth option with 800 naira get 5 gigabytes of data, it will last for 3 days. So I'm going to subscribe with the number 3 to show you that this code actually works. So I'm going to dial 3. BTL 300 has been activated and will expire on this date. This is one of the codes that I normally use to do my subscription on Airtel. The second code that I used to do my subscription on Airtel is star 312 star 2 star 1 star 5 hash star 312 star 2 star 1 star 5 hash. So let's dial this and see what we can get with this. So this code is for midnight browsing. So I normally use this code to get data that I use for my night browsing. I can use this code from 12 midnight to 5 a.m. Can use this code to do your browsing. With 15 I can get 250 MB, which means with 100 I can get 500 MB, and with 200 naira I can get 1 gigabyte of data. So this is one of the codes that I normally use to do my subscription, that I mostly for my night browsing on Airtel. The third code that I used to do my subscription on Airtel is star 312 star 6 hash star 312 star 6 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this. With 750 can get 2 gigabyte plus 2 gigabyte bonus, valid for 2 days. So with 750 can get 4 gigabyte of data that you can use for your browsing on Airtel. So this is another good option that I normally use to get free data from Airtel. So in the next section, I'm going to be talking about the code that I used to get it at a very cheap rate from MTN. So dial star 121 hash star 121 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. Then you dial 4, which is smart data. Then you dial 1 day offer. So you have 3 options that is available in this session. The first option with 150 can get 1 gigabyte of data. The second option with 250 can get 1.5 gigabyte of data, and the last option with 300 can get 2 gigabyte of data. I'm going to buy the data now to show you that this could actually work. I'm going to dial number 1, which is 1 gigabyte of data from 150. I'll dial 1. It will be charged 150 for the purchase of 1 gigabyte of data 1 day plan. So I will dial 1 to accept. Activation of 1 gigabyte daily data bundle was successful. So with 150 I've been able to get 1 gigabyte of data with this plan. The second code that I used to get data from MTN is star 121 hash. So that's star 121 hash. Then you dial top D for me, which is number 1. So this top D, they can give you a different package depending on how you are using your phone. So the package that I'm going to get may not be the same with your own. So I will dial one to show you what I can get now. So currently now, this is the promo that I'm having with this plan. You can be able to get 200 MB for just 15 naira. So if I want to get access to it, I will dial one. So this data plan will last for 14 days. So this is one of the code that I normally used to get cheaper that I use for my browsing on MTN. The number 3 code that I used to get cheaper from MTN is star 406 hash. Then you dial 3, which is night life bundle. So this plan is mostly for night browsing, and you can make use of this from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the night. With 750 you can get 500 MB and can do up to 2 GB of data that I can use for your browsing in the night. So I mostly use this for my night browsing, it amount of browsing in the night. So you can use this option to get you data that I can use for your browsing if you normally do a lot of work in the night. So these are the code that I used to do my subscription from MTN and Airtel. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to know how to get it at the very cheap price from Glo, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen. So I will see you in my next video.